Hello, in this video, we'll be seeing just how good a pair of $17 wireless earphones can be. So as the market has exploded in wireless audio technology, like headphones, earphones, speakers, the market has grown ever more competitive in the lower price range. So now you can get things as low as, say, here we have $17 to as high as north of $1,000. So let's see what these are. So you can get these off Amazon for $17 around, and these are Fricon true wireless sports earbuds. And some of the features that comes with is a 300 milliamp hour charging case, IPX4 water resistance, so you have some peace of mind. So if you drop it while you're outside, at least you know it probably won't get damaged by water. And let's see what's inside. So let's open it up. Okay, so I've decided to open the plastic and unwrap this. And let's see what's inside. So, opening it up, we find it's stuck in there. Okay, so some reading has popped out, so you get, if you register, you get a lifetime warranty. And here is the quick start guide. Okay, and let's look at what items you get. So we have a micro USB cable. Okay, so we'll get to that later. We have some things to put on the earphones for different sizes, that way they fit in your ear. And you have the earphones and the charging case themselves. So let's take that open. And this is actually really neat. So looking at it, the earphones themselves come in the charging case, and they aren't pre-charged, but they are prepared, because these aren't true wireless earphones, which only comes with Bluetooth 5.2 technology, like in the new Snapdragon 888. But in the right earphone, your device will connect to the right earphone, and the right earphone connects to the left earphone. So these two are all paired to each other, but obviously they aren't paired to your phone, so they aren't charged. So looking at the design, a lot of earphones coming in at this price point, and other low-end earphones like such, often try to copy Apple's famous AirPods. Now, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. A lot of them are actually really good in terms of quality, especially for their price. But these earphones themselves go for a bit of a different design with a kind of ovular pill-shaped case and an ergonomic earphone design, which will fit right into your ear. But for me, sometimes they pop out, because I've tested these before. And looking at the charging case, it actually does close really well. But something characteristic of other ones at this price point are that top is really loose. So you can just do this and it'll just snap closed. But overall, I like the design. So there is no adapter included, as you might expect, but they do have the USB cable, although the thing is packaged, it's really hard to pull apart. And it was taped together super strong. Alright, so micro USB cable. And I will charge them up and get back to you. Okay, so I charged them up. And now we're going to see how well they connect and how good the audio is. So I have a device here. And let's go into Bluetooth. And what's interesting about these is the way you turn them on is you simply open them up and take them out of their case. And now they should be ready to be activated. So let's see. Yep, here they are. Fricon T13. And then they also let you know that they're connected. So let's listen to some audio on them. So I've turned the volume to maximum, so I hope you can hear it. So these actually have touch control. So we'll tap once to pause, tap again to play. And although this doesn't work on YouTube, but it does work on streaming services such as Spotify, iTunes, and YouTube Music. You can double tap the left one to rewind or restart, and you can double tap the right one to go to the next song. And if you're at the beginning of a song and you double tap the left one, you will get to go back to the previous song. So in terms of audio quality, for the price, they're actually really good, because if you choose the right ear cups, these, then you can actually get really good bass. And overall, music is quite detailed, especially considering the price that they're at. So overall, I really like these. And one final thing that I would like to note is to turn them off and automatically disconnect. All you need to do is put them back in their charging case, and they're disconnected. And what's more, since the charging case has a battery in it, the earphones themselves are already charging, even though this isn't plugged in anywhere. So that was the unboxing and review of the Fricon T13 $17 wireless earphones. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.